Hey everyone! Welcome back to Go Next. Today, we're diving into a super useful grammar topic, possessive pronouns. Ever wondered how to say something belongs to you, me, or someone else without sounding repetitive? That's where these little words come in handy. A possessive pronoun is a word that shows ownership or belonging. Instead of repeating the noun, we use possessive pronouns to show who something belongs to. Imagine you see a book on the table. Instead of saying, "This book belongs to Jake," you can simply say, "This book is his." The word his is a possessive pronoun, it shows who owns something. These words help us speak more smoothly without repeating names all the time. Common possessive pronouns are words that show ownership without using a name. Here are the most common ones: mine, something that belongs to me; yours, something that belongs to you; his, something that belongs to him; hers, something that belongs to her; ours, something that belongs to us; theirs, something that belongs to them. Subjective pronouns act as the subject of a sentence, the one performing the action. Objective pronouns act as the object of a verb or preposition, the receiver of the action. Possessive pronouns show ownership and replace nouns to avoid repetition. I, subject; me, object; mine, possessive. I called Sam. Sam called me. The book is mine. You, object you, possessive pronoun yours. You are nice. I trust you. This is yours. Subject he, object him and possessive his. He left. Find him. The bag is his. She, object the doer her and possessive pronouns hers. As in sentence she won. Tell her, the keys are hers. It, object is also it and possessive pronoun its, s added at the end. It works. Fix it. The tail is its. We, object pronoun us and possessive pronoun ours. We agree. Join us. The house is ours. They, them and theirs. They left. Help them. The seats are theirs. Fixing repetitive sentences with possessive pronouns. Replace owner plus noun with a possessive pronoun. For examples, this is Sarah's book, not your book. Repeating the word book unnecessarily. This is hers, not yours. Now it is better because it is shorter, clearer, and avoids repetition. Possessive pronouns, key rules and examples. 3 golden rules. Used alone. They replace the noun, never modify it. For examples, I haven't got my pen. Can I use yours? No apostrophes. Correct, yours, hers, theirs. Incorrect, yours, hers, theirs. For example, this is her book. Incorrect, this book is hers, correct. Stand independently. They never precede a noun. Their team won, but ours lost. Independent, stand alone, replace owner plus noun, where dependent, also known as possessive adjective, modify nouns, can't stand alone. Independent, mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs, its, and dependent, my, your, his, her, our, their, its. Example, this book is mine. Example, this is my book. Independent, the decision is theirs. Replaces their decision, in case of dependent, their idea is brilliant. Modifies idea. Independent, never precedes a noun and dependent, always precedes a noun. We learned that independent possessive pronouns stand alone, they replace the noun completely. Let's look at more examples. That money is mine. Replaces my money. Can't say, that is mine money. Is it yours? Replaces your bike. Can't say, is it yours bike? That's ours. Replaces our thing. Can't say, that's ours table. The land is theirs. Replaces their land. Dependent possessive pronouns modify nouns, they need a noun after them. Sam received her mail. Her requires the noun mail. His shoes were old. His requires the noun shoes. They promised to do their work. There needs a noun, like work. Amazon sent an email to its customers. It needs a noun, like customers. Key difference: independent possessive pronoun can stand alone, don't need noun after it. For example, that book is mine. Dependent possessive pronoun cannot stand alone and needs a noun after it. For example, that is my book. Replace possessive adjective plus noun with possessive pronoun. Move a noun before the verb when transforming. Let's look at how we change these sentences. Instead of saying this is her book, we say this book is hers. When we want to say this is his pen, we can emphasize ownership by saying this pen is his. We can change this is my book to the more natural this book is mine. The sentence that is your car becomes clearer when we say that car is yours. It is our house sounds more natural when we say this house is ours. And for those are their toys, we simply say those toys are theirs. A possessive pronoun challenge is coming your way. Test your skills in using mine, yours, hers, theirs correctly. Spot the errors and master the rules. Quick, interactive practice starts in. Ready? Let's begin. For each sentence, we'll fill in the blank with the correct possessive pronoun. Sarah's phone is new, but blank, my phone, is newer. Answer, mine, replaces my phone. This isn't your notebook, it's blank, her notebook. Answer, hers, replaces her notebook. Our team won, but blank, their team, lost. Answer, theirs, means their team. Is this umbrella blank, your umbrella? No, it's not blank, my umbrella. Answer, yours and mine, replace noun phrases. His car is expensive, but blank, our car, is practical. Answer, ours, replaces our car. These shoes aren't blank, they're shoes. They're blank, your shoes. Answer, theirs and yours, show ownership. Her essay was good, but blank, his essay, was best. Answer, his, stands alone. We brought laptops. Did you bring blank, your laptop? Answer, yours, replaces your laptop. The cat licked blank, its paws, and slept. Answer, its, with noun paws. Their house is big, but blank, our house, feels cozier. Answer, ours, means our. And that's a wrap on possessive pronouns. I hope this lesson helped you understand how to use my, your, his, hers, ours, and theirs correctly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy grammar lessons.